Hi students, in this video we'll see constructing context-free grammar from PDA. PDA is given and I have to obtain context-free grammar. And you know context-free grammar has terminals, non-terminals, and I should have a start symbol and there will be some rules. Right? And PDA is given and I need context-free grammar. The input symbols in my PDA will be the terminals in context-free grammar. Input symbols in my PDA will be the terminals in my context-free grammar. Next is, suppose in PDA, if there is a state change from QI to QJ, if there is a state change in my PDA and assume start top is center, right? My non-terminal in my context-free grammar will be a triplet form. And what is the triplet form? Since there is a state change, right? Both the states I have to include. And what is the stack top when there is a state change? Right? So this triplet form will be your non-terminal in CFG. You know context-free grammar, right, needs terminal, non-terminal, start symbol and rules. Right? So when we convert this PDA to context-free grammar, right, input symbols will be your terminals. What about your non-terminals? How to write the non-terminals? Non-terminals I will write in this triplet form. What is this triplet form? When there is a state change, that state change you have to mention. There is a state change from QI to QJ when set is on stack top. Right? So this triplet form will be your non-terminal in context-free grammar. Next, start symbol. Right? How to identify the start symbol of your CFG? If Q0 is the start state of your PDA, in PDA, if Q0 is the start state and QF is your final state. How to write the start symbol? Start symbol of your CFG is, start symbol in your CFG is Q0 set QF. Right? Q0 set QF will be the start symbol of your CFG. Right? What is this Q0? Q0 is the start symbol of your PDA and QF is the final state of your PDA. Right? With this, how will you write the start symbol of your CFG? Q0 set QF. So here in CFG, all the non-terminals will be in the triplet form. Right? Next, we have some rules. Right? If your PDA has this type of transition, QI, A, this is A is nothing but my input symbol, and Z is my stack top, right? Which is equal to QJ. You can see there is a state change, comma, AB. If you have such type of transitions in your PDA, how to write the corresponding context-free grammar? You are supposed to write like this: QI, right? Z, right? QK. Here we have introduced two variables, two symbols, K and L. This K and L will take all the possible values of your states. That is, you have to check your complete PDA and find out how many states are there, like Q0, Q1, Q2, like how many states are there. Right? So this K and L will take all the possible values. Suppose in your PDA, if you have till Q3 state, this K and L will take Q0. In the next iteration, it will take Q1 value. In the next iteration, value of K will be 2 and the next iteration value of K will be 3. It will take all the possible values, both K and L. But how to write this triplet form? QI, right? The star QK tends to my input symbol A, and here you check. There is a state change, right? QJ, then this not terminal, and here QL will take all the possible values, and B, next it is K value. Right, so when you do the sum, it will be easy. Right here, suppose if you have any pop transition, how to write? QI set QJ tends to my input symbol. Right, so these two steps you have to remember, and these are the basic thing, right, in converting PDA to context-free grammar. We'll see a sum. See, we'll convert this, right? PDA is given, I have to get the context-free grammar. PDA is given, I have to get the context-free grammar. So in this PDA, I have 3 transitions. Take one by one transition and convert to CFG. Right? So you can make a table of column. Given transitions. Given transition and resulting transitions. Right. So what is my first transition? Delta of Q0 A Z. Right, which is equal to Q0 comma A Z. Right. So first thing, right, check this transition belongs to which type. So this transition here is check. I have to not terminal, so it belongs to this first one. So this type of transitions I have to convert into this type of context-free grammar. Right? Now what you can do is like, see here, this Q0 is your QI. Am I correct? QI, A, Z, then this Q0 is your QJ. So here it is AB, I have AZ. And here my input symbol is A. Right? Now this transition, how we should convert it, right? And here you check this PDA. This PDA has how many states totally? It has Q0 and Q1. So only 2 states it has. So I said both K and L will take all the possible values. Since my PDA has only 2 states, Q0 and QL, the possible values of K and L is only 2. That is Q0 and Q1. Hope it is clear. Since in my PDA I have only 2 states, Q0 and Q1, the possible K and L values are Q0 and Q1 only. Right? So here first I'll take this. Right? So what is my QI? QI is nothing but Q0. Q0 Z. So here also in this stack place I have Z. So I can use Z. And here QK, as I said, it will take all the possible values. So how many values it is possible? Q0, and I can have one more value, Q0 set Q1. Possible K values. Right? Next tends to, what is this A? Input symbol. Right? So here what is my input symbol? I have A. So here also I have A. Right? Then QJ. What is my QJ? Right? Since there is no state change, both my QI and QJ value remains the same. Right? Since there is no state change. So my QJ is also Q0. Q0. Right? So it is Q0. Then AB. Right? So here I have AZ. A,
And what about this L? I told L also will take all the possible values. So the first possible value is Q naught for L. Right, now how to complete this? Q naught, right, it is A Z. So A is over, now I write Z, right, now K. What is my K value here? Q naught. Q naught. Or, why I am making R? As I told, L will take all the possible values. Right, since I have only two possible values for L, right, I have two different values. So it is K, only this L will change. Q naught, A, next possible value of L is 1. Right, Q1, set Q naught. That's it. Right, next it is Q naught, I'll write little up. Q naught set Q1. Right, so it is A. Right, how to start? What about this first value? This first value is Qj. Right, where I have this Qj after my equal to symbol. Since in my transition there is no state change, right, both my Qi and Qj value remains the same. Right, so Qj is also Q naught, then my A set, right, A, I am writing L. Next possible L value is L, right, so first possible L value is Q naught, right, I have to write all the possible L values, Q naught, right, Q naught, set, what about my K value now? Q will be K. What about my K value? Now it is Q1. Right, next change this L alone. L I will write all the possible values. So it is Q naught, A, next possible L value is Q1. Right, Q1 set Q1. Right, so this is for my first transition. Next, take and write the next transition. What about your next transition? Delta of Q naught B A, which is equal to Q naught A. Here, which is my Qi, this is my Qi, and this is Qj. Here also, since there is no state change, right, both my Qi and Qj remains the same. Qi, Qj remains the same. Now, how to write? And what about my input symbol here? It is B, right? So how to write this? Start from this triplet. Qi set Qk. Qi is Q naught, right? So set, right? Stack is set now. Now check what is your stack? A. So I write A. And set. Set how many possible values? Two possible values. What is the first possible value? Q naught. Right, I will write the next possible value also, Q naught A. Next possible set value is 1. Right, next what you should write your input symbol. What is your input symbol here? It is B. B, and how to start? We are starting with Qj. Here Qj is also Q naught. Right, Q naught. Right, then your non-terminals, A. So first I write A, then it is QL, right? L will take all the possible values. So the first possible value is Q naught, next A. One A I have written, next A, and it should complete with QK. What is your QK now? Q naught. Right, next in the put on and write the next possible L value. Right, so it is B, Q naught, A, Q1, A, Q naught. Correct? Next, coming to this, how to write input symbol is B. Right, I have to start with Qj. What is my Qj? Q naught. Why I am starting? See this formula. Right? Start with Qj. Q naught, then A. QL first value is Q naught. Q naught A. And what is my K value now? Q1. And then write the next possible L value. So it is B, Q naught A, Q1, Q1 A, Q1. Right? Hope board is clear. Right. So second transition also over. Now what is your third transition given? Third transition given is delta of Q naught A. Q naught A which is equal to Q1 comma epsilon. Q1 comma epsilon. So this is of which type? Epsilon type. So come to step 2. Right. Here Qi, Qj. There is a state change. Q naught, Q1. Right. So how to write the transition? Qi set Qj. Now write Q naught, in the place of set I have A, then Q1 tends to input symbol. So here input symbol is A. Right? So we have converted all the transitions to context free grammar. Now you have one more thing to do. You have to find out the start symbol of your context free grammar. What is the start symbol of your context free grammar? As I told in the beginning of this video, how to identify the start symbol of your context free grammar? Find the start symbol of your PDA. Which is the start symbol of your PDA? Q naught. Final start state of your PDA, final state of your PDA. Right? So start state of your PDA, set final state of your PDA. Right? Is the start symbol of context free grammar. Right? So you have to conclude like this. Hope you understood. Thank you.